Hey team, Dr. Josh Wagner here with Patient Mastery, coming to you from Oahu, Hawaii. I'm about to go into a meeting with some of my coaches. You can see some of the ocean right there. And really quick video that's going to make a dramatic difference for the rest of your career when it comes to retention, results, and referrals. And what is that? It's the #1 DC chiropractor influencer energy that you have to have in every single patient visit. Now, why don't you know this? Why? Well, because for the most part our profession is backwards. And when I say what it is, you're gonna think, oh, I already have that, or of course, that's obvious. But I guarantee you're using it in the wrong way. So, when we think about interacting with patients, everything in Patient Mastery is being the most trustworthy doc they've ever met. Not only most trustworthy, but a leader without being aggressive, without overwhelming with education, and that you want what they want. So there's a huge difference between you wanting them to have proper curve, subluxation free, more range of motion, and them wanting to be able to pick up their grandchildren or be able to dance with their spouse. Do you want what they want? The #1 energy in making sure that is getting through to every one of your patients for better results, referrals, and retention is, drum roll, are you enthusiastic every single visit about the results they're going to get, and not just getting out of pain, not just getting out of pain, not just improving a condition, but getting back to their life. That's one of the principles of Patient Mastery, is when you own that you're helping people get back to their life, you realize that you're worth a lot more. And when you communicate that way, with enthusiasm, with leadership, with trustworthiness, with caring, you see how much easier it is. People pay you out of pocket, especially when they thought or hoped insurance would pay. So bottom line, when we talk about enthusiasm, a lot of chiropractors do this wrong because you're enthusiastic about chiropractic. You're enthusiastic about your technique. Oh, your technique is the best. You know, you learn from the best technique guru, and patients don't care. They have no idea what you're talking about. They just want to get results and they want to get back to their life. So when you take enthusiasm off of chiropractic, off of your technique, off of your modality, and instead you just switch the energy of your enthusiasm to whatever they told you is most important in their life, which you asked during the 6-question consult, you used during the 5-step recommendations, it's on the paperwork for the care savings options, and every single visit going forward, you are peppering in enthusiasm for them getting back to their life, which guess what, guys? You're not a scripted robot. You're not drowning them in education on every visit, which makes no difference. You're only talking about what they care about. And when you're the doctor that every time they see them is bringing a level of enthusiasm for them getting back to picking up their grandchildren, dancing with their spouse, being able to watch TV pain-free, whatever it is for them, you become and stay their trusted leader, their biggest cheerleader, their guide to get back to their life. And that's when results happen quicker, referrals happen more, and they follow your full recommendations because they trust and honor your leadership and your professionalism. So think about this, where this applies to you. Where are you talking more about chiropractic and your technique and your modalities, and you have all this enthusiasm for how good you are? Let that go, remove it 80%, and let's shift it to enthusiasm for the difference it's going to make in their life. Not just pain-free, not just getting a condition resolved, that's the top layer of the onion, but what are they actually able to get back to? And when you find that out in the consult and you use it correctly in the recommendations and every other visit, practice transforms. You deserve that because you help good people get back to their life. But if you don't communicate it correctly, if you don't understand it correctly, you don't get paid, you don't get referred to, and people bail within a few visits, or when the pain gets better enough. And you deserve better than that. If you need help implementing this into your practice with the proven Patient Mastery process, book a call with one of my coaches. My team will walk you through a demo of behind the scenes of exactly how we plug this into your practice. So you just have to show up and be yourself, not a cookie cutter image of someone else. You just be yourself, give great care, have fun, love the process, and get paid what you're worth. That's Patient Mastery. Keep helping people get back to their lives, saving lives. Thank you for all you do. Stay great.